Hey guys, this is Cory with Funtown RV of Amarillo, and I have a beautiful full-time luxury fifth wheel to show you today. This is the 2025 Brinkley Model Z 3400. And yes, you heard that right, the 2025 models have started to hit the dealer's lots. We're going to show you the inside and show you the outside of this luxury full-time rated fifth wheel, and show you some of the unique and awesome features that this has to offer. Now, all the specifications for this big, beautiful fifth wheel will be down in the video description of this video, as well as a link to the current pricing on this, so you can see that at any time without necessarily having to talk to a salesperson if you're not ready. So without further ado, let's go ahead and we'll get started. All right, guys, I wanted to kind of break up my routine here a little bit and start off on this rear patio party deck, since this is kind of the unique feature on this trailer. Now, this is not a toy hauler. This is a rear kitchen couples luxury fifth wheel. So it's incredibly unique to see this, which is, again, it's neat. So you do have an awning that'll come out over this with an LED light bar. And as we start opening up all this storage on this rear patio party deck, you can see you've got tons of storage. This is all soft close cabinetry. So it's the same cabinetry you find on the inside. You've got an electrical outlet and some wiring in there as well. Your big old outside entertainment center, perfect for watching the game, things like that. Solid surface countertops. You got your big old sink with the high-rise faucet. Storage down below. You got your mini fridge for all your Mountain Dews, apple juices, and brewskis. Big old drawer here. All these are going to be dovetailed, as you can see right in here. And then they even give you a pull-out trash can. They've really thought this through, and I really do like it. Now, if you do have some like ice chests and coolers things, they do what I call the pack-and-play door, so that you can easily load some of those bigger items here. So I do really like that. Now, right up in here, this has a separate Bluetooth speaker, which is that little guy there, plus your awning controls and some lighting controls. And that Bluetooth speaker is actually this little guy right here, which is pretty neat. I do like that. Now, if you do want to close this off, you do have the roll down tent walls, and then you also are going to have the pull down screen here too. And you can stop that at any point that you choose if you want to keep some of the bugs out of here. So really cool feature there. You also have a GFI protected outlet, and this is actually your gate valve for the holding tank back here. But as we step inside, this is the view you're greeted with. I mean, check this out. This trailer is so elegant, modern, but still classy, you know? Now, I haven't unboxed any of this stuff yet. This is the ottoman and the two chairs for the dinette table, just because we just got this trailer in. You can see you've got all the LED accent lights. No carpet in any of these Brinkleys. They use the floor flush slide outs with the matching linoleum. Let's get started with our furniture here. So this is a trifold sleeper sofa. This can come out into an extra guest bed if you do need it to. So that is really cool. Love that mirror with those two sconces right there. And what's also really neat, so these are the crank open jalousie style windows. And they are frameless as well. So you can really open those to get that good airflow. But they do have the screen that pulls up from the bottom and the privacy shade that comes down from the top. And these are, they don't have any valances either. So that's all integrated into the window, which is pretty neat. Now, you do have your theater seats. These are heated, which is always a crowd favorite. You do have your wireless charging port here. This can double as your cup holders. And then you've got your little remote storage right there as well. Now, if we take a seat at the theater seat, you can see you're directly across from the entertainment center. So you've got a televator TV. There is a window behind that. And then below that, you have your 5200 BTU electric space heater fireplace. And then also, you've got your Bluetooth stereo controls for the interior speakers. So you basically have 3 different zones, which is pretty cool. Max air vent fan up there. And then if we get a little closer on this, like your slide out fascias here, you won't see any staple holes because they screw this fascia on from the backside into metal, which is really, really neat. You can see your speakers there. And then I want to talk a little bit about the air conditioning while we're back here. So this is the new 18,000 BTU Furrion Chill Cube air conditioner. So the cool thing about this, it's like a mini split. A lot of people are really familiar with that. And it's a really powerful, really quiet, but efficient air conditioner. And it has a follow me mode. So it has a wireless remote that's also your thermostat. So anywhere you put that, the air conditioner won't turn off until the remote gets down to temperature, which is kind of a neat thing. Now, again, I haven't unpacked this yet, just because we just got this unit in, and I have a limited time to get this videoed before they take it into service for our prep. But you do have the kind of versatile dinette, and so you can see this is how this can orient itself, which is pretty cool. It's a 4-position sliding desk dining table with 2 chairs and ottoman. This does have storage in it, and also doubles as a table because it'll lift up too, which is pretty cool. No heat ducts in the floor. They are in the cabinets in all of these Brinkleys, with very few exceptions. So that is really cool. But let's go ahead now and take a look at all the storage this thing has to offer. So I'm telling you, if you are a campsite chef, you're gonna love this trailer. All right, so let's get started off over here with your dinette storage. So you do have your silverware drawer right here. This is really cool. This is also removable, so you can take it out if you don't need that or want that there. So that's that. Above your theater seats, you do have some really good storage back over here. You've got all these cabinets are real wood with a sticker wrap, and they do have screwed and glued cabinetry, which is always really nice. Above your couch, you have big cabinets. Love that they did this. And these are actually nice and deep too. That's the thing that a lot of brands don't do. They just have, they're like 2 or 3 inches deep, which is not usable. USB ports right there. That is so smart. Above your TV, more cabinetry space. And you're probably I'm gonna sound like a broken record, but I mean, just take a look at this. This is all solid surface countertops. You've got great storage here. Look at these drawers. These things are huge. Then they're still dovetailed. You've got not 1, not 2. This one is for your pots and pans, and it is super deep too. So you can see it is a little bit deeper than the other. Now, if we take a Neil here, you can see you've got 1 outlet here, 1 outlet over there, dual windows. So you have pretty good campsite visibility. Plus there is the one behind the TV still. Again, there's that big old nice deep storage. You got your 30-inch microwave. More storage over here. You've got another big old drawer with your 7-inch Furrion Vision camera, TPMS, and these are these little key blocks for the outside. You can get a number of different things that mount to those, so that is pretty cool. And then you've got some deep cabinet space there as well. Now, I skipped over the stove on purpose, just to get some of this stuff closed up out of the way. You've got your 3-burner stove, nice big oven, and you are going to have another drawer right here as well. Let's take a look at the island. You're going to have 2 outlets, 1 on each side. Solid surface. Nice big 1-basin farm-style sink with the pull-out sprayer faucet. If we start opening some of this stuff up, you've got 3 more drawers. This bottom one is a little deeper. Plenty of space there for like your soaps and stuff. And then my favorite drawer here, you got your dual trash cans with the signature Brinkley paper towel holder with some more storage behind that. So again, just storage is the theme of the day here. Now, if that was all the storage, it'd be great. We're not done yet. Check this out. That is a massive pantry. I mean, check that out. Outlets in there for your coffee makers, Instapots, things like that. That is just great. And then look how deep that storage is up there. That is, I'm so impressed. Don't know if I'm portraying that very well, but this goes all the way across. You've got plenty of storage here. Plus you've got your 12-volt DC compressor driven refrigerator. Let me take this travel lock off. And I didn't drop it this time. So you've got your refrigerator on this side with your crisper drawers down there. Freezer on this side, same thing. You got your little drawers down there. That is just, man, Brinkley, you guys knocked it out of the park with this one. I'm so impressed. So we've looked at the kitchen, we looked at the outside patio, we've looked at the living area. Let's go ahead now and we'll jump upstairs, take a look at the bathroom and bedroom. And you're not gonna be disappointed with that either. I mean, this fifth wheel is almost perfect. All right, so as we go upstairs, this is your main control panel. So you got your awnings, your slide out, sliding controls, tank monitoring panel. You do have dimmable lighting, which is pretty cool. You got your solar charge controller panel there. Max air vent fan controls, all that good stuff. So that is really cool. Plus, you've got a nice deep closet here for some of those coats, hoodies, things like that. And then even up here, nice big storage. No carpet, again, anywhere. I think I already said that. Check this out. This bathroom's huge. So you got your big old mirror. You get to look at my goofy face as per usual. Solid surface countertops. You got your outlet. You got your big sink. Storage there. And you've got 3 of these big, full drawers. Those are the biggest drawers I've ever seen in a bathroom. You got your big old shower here. If we take a step in here, now flip this around, you can see I've got plenty of room, probably about 7-8 inches above my head. I'm 6'2". Plus you do have the LED light bar, as you can see right up here. Nice big shower. You got your 4 sprayers, corner baskets. This is just nice. Another max air vent fan controls, AC and heat in the bathroom. You got the controls for that right there with some lighting controls, robe hooks. You got your magnetic toilet paper holder. Nice deep closets or linen cabinet space there. And then let's take a test on this. I wonder if this is as good as the 3110. Yep, this is great. Super nice, super amount of elbow room, plenty of leg room, pocket doors on each side, so these will close everything off. I mean, this bathroom is just very well executed. Coming back up in here, we got our king bed. So 72 by 80 king bed. There's full storage underneath it. Got your thermostat for your second AC, plus some lighting controls. Again, you've got the dimmable lighting, which is always really nice. That is a 13.5 AC, just in case you were wondering. Bedroom TV, nice big window. You've got the sliding storage right there. Then you've got 3 of these little drawers and 4 of these bigger drawers, which is really nice as well. Got some cubby hole space right there. If you want to do a stackable washer dryer, you can do that right here, or this is just extra closet space, which is always a good thing. And then the washer would go right down there, and you can see the hookups right there as well. And that's not all your closet space. You do have this massive one in here with outlets, Dyson prep. So if you want to add a Dyson cordless vacuum, you can do that. Love the shoe storage in the front. Love all the LED lighting. That is just an amazing, amazing feature. Now, you do have extra lights I didn't even turn on yet. But as you can see, back up in there, you do have USB ports with these neat little shelves here. So that is really good. And then you are going to have some household outlets down here as well for those CPAP machines and things. So let me know, guys, what do you think of this bedroom bathroom area? I'm very impressed, and I've seen thousands of RVs in my career. I think this is on my short list. If I was going to buy a fifth wheel today, this 3400 would definitely make that cut. So let's go ahead now. We'll jump out to the outside, take a look at the features there. All right, guys. So we're on the outside of the 3400 Model Z. Starting up front, you have a painted fiberglass front cap, Lippert Rhino box, and then up in here, you do have your battery compartment and your spot for your hydraulics, plus all your solar charge controllers, inverters, all that good stuff is right there. Coming back over here, you have your power awning, frameless windows, 6-point hydraulic auto level. And then back up in here, this is your massive, massive storage compartment. Got your other battery disconnect over there, LED light strip, outside speaker controls, that's these guys right here. Got some lighting controls, TV, outside shower, that is so handy. These are on a magnetic holdback with slam latches. And then this little compartment here is going to be for your steps for the rear patio. You've got your flip-up steps, safety rail, y'all are good, have at it. No, you're good. Got your power awning right there. You are riding on Cooper H-rated tires. Those are 17.5 inch. Got your rear patio deck, power awning. And then your pack and play door here with your extra dump right there. Coming back over here, you've got your tankless on-demand water heater controls, your furnace. Auto level controls are right there. And then right here is going to be your hookup area. So you've got your 65-foot integrated water hose, outside shower, electronic gate valves, black tank flush, city water connection, freshwater connection, all that good stuff is right there. So all right, guys, that's going to wrap it up for the 2025 Brinkley 3400 Model Z. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out in the comment section down below. Remember, at Funtown RV, we have the best products, best selection, and the best prices around. We hope to see you out here very soon. Again, all the specifications will be down in the video description, and we'll see you on the next one.